Let's get meal prepping. Listen up, you lot. This isn't a greasy spoon, it's your kitchen, and we're about to revolutionize the way you eat. We're talking meal prepping for weight loss, and I'm here to guide you every step of the way. Now, I'm not talking about those sad, soggy salads you see on those fad diets. We're talking about delicious, nutritious meals that will fuel your body and help you shed those unwanted pounds. But before we get started, there are a few culinary criminals we need to kick out of this kitchen for good. We're going to expose the foods that sabotage your weight loss goals. Avoiding these dietary disasters is half the battle won. So, put on your aprons, grab your chopping boards, and let's get cooking. Right, let's get one thing straight. Processed foods are the devil. Packed with more preservatives than a museum, they're full of hidden sugars, unhealthy fats, and enough salt to make a sailor thirsty. These culinary imposters leave you feeling bloated, sluggish, and craving more junk. They don't provide any nutritional value, and frankly, they're an insult to real food. Ditch those frozen dinners, packaged snacks, and sugary cereals. Opt for fresh, whole ingredients that you can pronounce and cook from scratch. Your body will thank you for it. Listen, I enjoy a good drink as much as the next person, but sugary drinks are a one-way ticket to weight gain. They're packed with empty calories, sending your blood sugar levels on a roller coaster ride and leaving you craving more sugary fixes. Sodas, fruit juices, sports drinks, they're all guilty. These sugary culprits are sabotaging your weight loss efforts faster than you can say service. Swap those sugary concoctions for water, unsweetened tea, or infused water with fresh fruits and herbs. Trust me, your taste buds and waistline will thank you. Chapter 3. High-sodium foods, the silent weight gain saboteurs. Now, salt is essential in cooking, but too much of it and you'll be feeling like a bloated pufferfish. High-sodium foods make you retain water, leaving you feeling puffy and adding unnecessary pounds to the scale. Processed foods are the worst offenders, but even seemingly healthy options like canned soups and sauces can be loaded with hidden sodium. Read those labels carefully. Look for low-sodium alternatives and flavor your food with fresh herbs and spices instead. Your body will be thanking you for not making it a salt mine. Refined grains, empty calories, empty stomach. White bread, white rice, pastries. These refined grains are stripped of their nutrients, leaving you with empty calories and a rumbling stomach. They spike your blood sugar levels, leading to cravings and overeating. These culinary culprits are like a flash in the pan. They burn out quickly and leave you feeling unsatisfied. You deserve better than that. Choose whole grains like brown rice, quinoa, and whole wheat bread. They're packed with fiber, which keeps you feeling fuller for longer and provides sustained energy. Chapter 5. Unhealthy fats, the not-so-friendly fats. Listen, not all fats are created equal. Unhealthy fats, like those found in fried foods, processed snacks, and fatty meats, can sabotage your weight loss goals. These culinary delinquents clog up your arteries, increase your risk of heart disease, and pack on the pounds. They're the bullies of the food world. Opt for healthy fats like those found in avocados, nuts, seeds, and olive oil. They provide essential nutrients, keep you feeling full and satisfied, and can even help you burn fat. You've got this. There you have it. We've cleaned out the culinary criminals from your kitchen and armed you with the knowledge to make healthier choices. Remember, losing weight isn't about deprivation. It's about nourishing your body with delicious, nutritious food that makes you feel your best. Don't let those unhealthy temptations hold you back. You've got the power to make a change. Now get in that kitchen and show those taste buds who's boss. And if you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more delicious and nutritious recipes. Now go on, get cooking.